I will just follow. Ito, high blood.
Nature for a better future. We are the Tribo Kaminganawan Cultural Dance Troupe, a village showcasing Mindanaoan culture. And later at 11:45 onwards, we will have another second culture show at Tribo Kaminganawan. And that is located behind Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo. And this time, you will witness a glimpse of indigenous dances of Mindanao.
You need to shout fly. Okay, what's the word?
Fly!
Fly. Let's practice first. 1, 2, 3, and
Fly!
kulang. More energy pa daw, Bear. 1, 2, 3, and
Fly!
ready na ang ating mga bisita, mga kuya. Ready na ba ang ating mga kalaw? Now, folks, prepare your cameras. Mabilis lang to. At the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, and
Fly!
what a perfect catch, Mr. Bill and JJ. Now guys, when you see a hornbill doing that in the water, mas maraming insekto ang nakatch na lalaking kalaw, ay mas mataas ang chance na sasagutin siya ni ate girl na kalaw. And did you know that they call them monogamous? Monogamous meaning, once they find a partner in the wild, they will stay with them forever. Sana all nakasama naghahanap ng forever dyan sa mga single ladies natin out there. Kung naghahanap kayo ng forever, andito lang ang kalaw, hindi sa mga trainers. Ay, di joke lang. Ano ito, papakita salit sila. Now folks, prepare your cameras. 3, and
Fly!
our Philippine great hornbills, or also known as the kalaw, the alarm clock of the rainforest, because they make noise every morning, noon, and afternoon. Palakpakan po natin sila.
Thank you!
Wow! That is for our viewing Gomako with Kuya Dexter. Hello, Barak. Good morning. Alright, once again, guys, that is Baraka or Bulan Gomako with a scientific name on Ararauna, meaning genius. So why are they called the geniuses? Because they have a mental capacity of a 4-year-old child. Yes po, magkasing talino lang ni Barak ang 4 na taong gulang na bata. And just like most parrots po, si Barak ay may tinatawag na zygodactyl. What is zygodactyl nga ba? Ipapakita yan ni Barak using a Filipino footwear called Kadang-Kadang. Alright, now boy, are you ready? So on. And there you go, that is zygodactyl in action po. Swing the front, swing the back. Ay! Sige, one more time. Nahulog ko yan. Sige, is one more time. Suot ulit. And Marsha. There you go. Left, right, left, right. Marsha, yun pala. And sige, kaya mo yan. And alright, tama na kuya. Mukhang nahihirapan si Barak. Palakpakan natin si Barak, guys. Alright, at dahil dyan, Barak, may high five ka daw kay Kuya Dexter. High five! Appeal! Isa pa. Appeal. At hindi lang yan, si Barak ay isa. Ay, napaka-sweet din po nito ni O sige, Barak, how about kiss kay Kuya Dexter daw, Bes? Sa cheeks po. Ang sweet naman. Ay, Barak, mukhang nabitin si Kuya Barak. One more time pa daw, Be, for this time. Sa lips naman daw. Sige daw, Be, Barak. Kiss kay Kuya Dexter sa lips. Ay, mga audience. At hindi lang yan, guys, si Barak ay isang Echo Warrior din. So, sino nga ba dito nagsasigigate ng kanilang mga basura? Ano ba di nagsasigigate? Taas kamay. Ayon sila, ma'am, sila, sir. Hala, sila, ma'am lang. Hindi ka nagsasigigate, guys? Naku po, this morning, tuturuan tayo ni Barak how to segregate our waste. Na kuya, ano man dyan? Ang ating basurahan, we have the biodegradable bin or nabubulok. I-check yun ni Barak. Okay naman daw. And of course, the other one, the non-biodegradable bin or hindi nabubulok. And check the bins, Barak. Okay, mukhang gumagana naman kuya at mukhang ready na si Barak. Now, at the count of 3, lapag na natin ang basura. 1, 2, 3, and go! Ano unang kukunin ni Barak? A piece of
He knows where to put it.
plastic. That is gonna go to. Saan nilalagay ang plastic? To the non-biodegradable.
Yay!
So, kung another piece of trash, this time a piece of leaf or dahon. Saan nilalagay ang dahon? To the biodegradable bin and another piece of trash. Plastic ulit, which is then gonna go to the non-biodegradable bin and one last piece of trash. Dahon. A leaf that is gonna go to the biodegradable. Thank you so much, Barak, for helping our mother nature. Na kung kayang-kaya ni Barak mag-segregate, mas kayang-kaya po natin yan. At dahil galing pang Brazil si Barak, magpapaalam na po siya ng mga mom and sir, mga ating mga kuya. Everybody, wave bye-bye to Barak po. Wave bye-bye. Bye, Barak. You wave bye-bye to everyone na po. You wave bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye na. You wave bye-bye. Ano ba? Barak? Okay, makabuhay. Bye-bye na sila sa Barak. Naku guys, pag ginagawa yun ni Barak, ibig sabihin, he still wants to stay in the show. But of course, Barak, we need to highlight your other animal ambassadors naman, okay? Once again po, that is Barak, our blue and gold macaw with Kuya. Yes, okay. Thank you so much. Alright, and there you go. That is Apollo, our umbrella crested cockatoo with the scientific name of Kakatua alba, meaning older brother in Indonesian. Now, did you know that Apollo here is a multi-talented star? Now, who wants to see Apollo dance? Raise your hands. Who wants to see Apollo dance? Sino gusto makita sumayaw sa Apollo? Taas kamay. Alam ka, Apollo, dami ng fans. Eto guys, kailangan ni Apollo ng backup dancer, no? Kuya Boy, G ka ba? Okay, so who wants to see Kuya Boy dance naman? Taas kamay. Kayong dalawa sasayaw, Kuya Boy, ha? Kuya Boy, are you ready? Kuya Jun, hit it! Sayaw po, and that is the moonwalk made by the
It's Michael
famous
Jackson, man.
Michael Jackson. Sayaw mo, ipakita mo sa kanila ang moonwalk mo. And tama na baka mahulog sa table, Apollo. At dahil na multi-talented star si Apollo, marunong din siyang umarte, guys. Now let's see some of his acting skills. Alright, boy Apollo, what do we do if we see if we're ready na nang gagawin pag may kalaban Apollo? Nakalaking agila po, nandiyan sa taas mo, ayan na siya, eh. Patay. So that is their natural reaction po, no? They're doing that in the wild to fool their predators. So they waited to fool their predators. Now one more time. Alam ko po yan yung gagawin, bumalik yung agila po, nandiyan sa taas mo Apollo. Nakalaking agila pa naman. Ayan na naman siya, eh. Palakpakan mo ang si Apollo. Ang best actor na Apollo. Dahil napisahin ka, boy, let's do quick interview session, Apollo. Sige, interviewin natin si Apollo ngayong umaga. Okay, Apollo, sumagot ka ng maayos, boy, ha? Please be honest, Apollo, okay? Alright. Now, Apollo, look at Kuya Boy mo daw, be. Look at Kuya Boy. Is he good looking? Is he handsome? Pogi ba si Kuya Boy, Apollo? Pogi, sana all. Siyempre guys, personal trainer yan ni Apollo. And pogi na naman si Kuya Boy. O sige daw, how about me daw, boy? Apollo, look at me. Am I pretty? Am I beautiful? Apollo? Sa akin ang Apollo. Ikaw talaga Apollo, ha? So, anyway, let's take it sa mga audience kung bias mo talaga to si Apollo. Oh, Apollo, kung napakain sa'yo kanina. O, sige na. Dito tayo. Ayan si Mom na ano ba yan? Cream. O, sige. Apollo, look at Mom. Is she pretty? Is she beautiful? Maganda ba si Mom Apollo? Uy, be careful daw. Ay. Alhamdulillah. Maganda nga naman si Mom. Oh, perfect ka doon, Apollo. Dito naman tayo sa mga gentlemen. Sa mga lalaki naman tayo. O, ayan si Sir na summer polo shirt. Okay. Apollo, look at Sir. Is he good looking? Is he handsome? Pogi ba si Sir Apollo? Ay, Apollo approves din. Siyempre yung mga bisita natin ngayon, nagagandahan, nagpapapihan. Ba't doon na Apollo? Ba't ako doon na ibaboy? Sige na ba yung one more time daw ba? Apollo, please look at me. Am I pretty? Maganda ba ako, Apollo? Sabi ko sa akin, Apollo. Palakpakan na lang po natin si Apollo. At ang kanyang trainer, si Kuya Apollo. Now to the kids out there, or sa mga bizak, uy, dahan-dahan Apollo. And there you go. Thank you so much, Jumbo. Now you see guys, even your animals love thickness binturong or locally known as binturong po. Now did you know that their tail can act as a fifth limb or it is prehensile in nature? The definition of prehensile is being able to grab, so they can grab sa mga objects na kasing galing